Welcome back. I'll not be wasting your time today. I'm just here to show a few exercises that will challenge your core strength. core होता है ना, पेट होता है ना, उसमें strength जरूरी होती है. Anything that involves balancing, anything that involves staying or maintaining your posture involves core strength. So core is important for martial arts and for daily life also. So you don't have to get all funky like this balancing on bricks and all. This can be done on 2 stools, 2 chairs and anything like that. I'll be arranging these exercises in an order कि आपको एडवांस वाली नहीं भी कर पा रहे तो आप स्टार्टिंग की 1-2 एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. प्रैक्टिस द बेसिक एक्सरसाइजेस. यू कैन develop some core strength and balancing and finger and forearm strength, and you can move on to the advanced ones. So these are few exercises to challenge your core. I recommend trying it with bricks, but start with some stool or something like that. Before moving to these exercises, we have to understand that ये यहाँ को गिर सकता है, इधर को गिर सकता है, हमारी उंगली इस ईंट के नीचे आ सकती है तो चोट लग जाएगी. So be careful. All you have to do is maintain your body weight only on these two. मतलब इस पे ये जो वजन है अपने हाथों का ये सीधा ही जाना चाहिए. Your body weight, the force you exert on these bricks should be like perpendicular over here. Only then they will take your weight and only then you are balanced. If it goes somewhere in that direction, you fall down and injure yourself. So keep that in mind. The first exercise we are going to do is nothing, just feel and try to be exerting that perpendicular force एकदम नीचे की तरफ. Balance, breathe out, tighten your core, and the first exercise is where you just swing, just आगे पीछे उतना ही. So this should be exercise number 1. Maybe for the first time if you are doing, all you will be able to do is something like that, or maybe you will get to the other side. That's all okay. Nobody said you have to do this 10 times. I know it's quite tough, but this is the first exercise. Now because this is very important also. It's easy and it's important because you're moving, body आगे पीछे हिल रही है तो आपको बार बार आपका पेट का मसल टाइट करना पड़ेगा और हाथों से ऐसा प्रेशर वगैरह एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. उससे क्या होगा कि दैट्स द मेन थिंग इन अ handstand walk or single handstand. All you need is that you need to be able to adjust and balance, and that this exercise will teach you because you're moving and you have to adjust. Yes. So that's it. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 was based on more balancing. कैसे आप अपना हाथ वगैरह एडजस्ट करेंगे ताकि आप बैलेंस रहें. Now this one is exercise number 2, which is concentrating more on your core strength. So you're going to come over here like this and just try to kick with both your legs like this and come back. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, balance बनाए रखना है. So now you have tried your kicking like this. Maybe you can try something else like this. Rasputin. No. Exercise number 3 will be a strict L sit. As the name suggests, you have to imagine that you are an L. So let's forget it. L shape में ऐसे बैठना है. Breathe out and अगर आप भी बुढ़ापे में हैं तो आपका शरीर ऐसा कांपने लगेगा और चिड़िया बोलने लगेगी. In the next exercise, I want you to combine this L sit with your swinging and try to balance when you're coming back. Here and swing back. This is the starting position. Swing, extend your legs, come back to this position. And the last and final exercise, when you have mastered this, try to not touch your feet on the ground. In the same swinging motion, just try to come back, and instead of doing this, you do this. Try as long as possible. And these are little advanced. उसमें जैसे मैंने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में, एडवांस के चक्कर में मत पड़िए. स्टार्टिंग की जो बेसिक वाली दिखाई उसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए और एक दिन आप एडवांस में पहुंच जाएंगे. सो नथिंग, स्विंग इजी, कम बैक. See, the key is to maintain that force which goes down perpendicularly. अगर हाथ से वजन थोड़ा सा उस डायरेक्शन में, इस डायरेक्शन में हुआ तो आप गिर जाएंगे. इसलिए स्टूल पे, चेयर पे, कोई स्टेबल चीज पे करिए. और एक बार आप वो कर चुके हैं और आपको लाइफ में थोड़ी किक चाहिए तो आप ईंट लगा सकते हैं या फिर बोतल लगा सकते हैं जो कांच टूटे और घुसे तो मजा आए. बताना तो नहीं पड़ेगा ना कि मैं मजाक कर रहा था. बी केयरफुल, ये सारी चीजें नहीं करनी है. क्या आप म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं? पड़ोस में शादी हो रही है और हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Now in the last set of exercise, try to go from that balancing posture to a handstand if possible. If possible. अभी थोड़ा और लगेगा हमें, हमारी औकात उतनी नहीं है. फिर भी ट्राई करते हैं आपके लिए. Take 2. This is the first time I am trying this, okay? You must understand. Okay. Yeah. I'm joking. Anyway, these are the exercises. I'm not talking to you athletes who can already do handstand and all this crazy stuff. I'm talking to people like me who are looking for new exercises. This will definitely help you in developing some core strength. पेट तगड़ा होगा, बैलेंस मिलेगा, रिस्ट वगैरह थोड़ा स्ट्रांग होगा. ये सारे एक्सरसाइज आप करते रहिए. सावधान रहिए, सतर्क रहिए, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क. रीड ऑल स्कीम रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स केयरफुली.